A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 2 of our 7th chapter, that is Introduction to Internet. Today we are going to learn the uses of Internet. Yes. Now dear children, the first use is to search information on any topic with the help of Internet. We can search any type of information. Then to purchase products online and to pay the bills online. Yes, nowadays we are doing online shopping. Yes, to make projects when your teacher gives you, when I give you, or any other teacher gives you some projects. Okay, then the internet helps you in that. To communicate instantly with people sitting in a far away place. Now you are also communicating with your friends which are not nearby you, which are staying far away. So internet also helps in that. To send and receive messages using an email facility. Yes, we can send and receive messages with the help of emails. To see the latest news. Yes, with the help of the internet we can see the latest news all over the world. To download songs and movies. Yes, internet is used to download songs, movies, games, for all the things internet is being used. To advertise products and services. Now advertise means किसी भी एक product या service की ad देना, publicity करना. For that purpose also internet is used. To learn new skills. Nowadays you are learning on YouTube. Yes, you are watching our videos and then you are learning. So internet also helps in that. We can run the YouTube with the help of the internet. Yes, dear children, so you can learn new skills. To play online games. Okay, across the world. Yes, you can play online games across the world. I know many of you are doing that. Yes, dear children, it can all be possible with the help of the internet. Understood the uses of internet? Yes. Next, we are having the requirements for an internet connection. To connect your computer to the internet, you need the following. Now, what all things we need? We can see that. First of all, we need a computer system. Now, to run our computer with the help of the internet, we need a computer system, a modem or a network card. See, a modem or a network card like this. You can see in this picture. Then, a company providing internet connection. Yes, we can buy any internet connection of any company. Yes, dear children, a telephone or a cable line like this. We need a telephone or a cable line, and then the telephone line is attached to the modem, and then the modem is attached to the computer system. And at the last, we need the software, that is a web browser like Google, Yahoo, Mozilla Firefox. All these kinds of web browser we need. So these are all the requirements for the internet connection. What all the requirements means, what you need for running the internet in your computer system. Is it clear to you? Next, we are having now World Wide Web, that is www. You need to learn the full form as well. Okay. The World Wide Web, also known as a web, is a system of interlinked pages that contains a variety of information that can be accessed via internet by all over the world. Now, what is www? It is a variety of information. ठीक है, इस www में बहुत सारी एक ऐसा वेब सिस्टम है जो लिंक्ड है एक दूसरे से, and it provides us a lot of information all over the world. It forms only one part of the internet. To access the World Wide Web, you need a web browser. Now, web browsers like Google or Mozilla or Internet Explorer like that. You need to run the World Wide Web, you need a web browser as well. Is it clear to you? Next, what is web browser? We get information from different websites. Yes, what is web browser? Web browser helps us to get the information from different websites. Yes, dear children, remember that. for what purpose web browser is used? बहुत सारे information collect करता है from different websites. These websites open in a special software known as web browser. A web browser is a program used to locate and display web pages. Now, it is such a program which is used to locate and display different web pages available to us. It also helps the user to interact with text, images, videos, music and other information located on the web page. Now, a particular web page is having all these sort of information. It can be in the form of text, image, video, music. Yes, we can access all that information with the help of a web browser. Is it clear to you? We have studied in the requirements of the internet connection that we need a software, we need a web browser to use the internet at last. Yes, some popular web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Okay dear children, now these are some of the popular web browsers. I know you are very much you know all these web browsers very well. Okay, many of you are using the Google and all. Yes, it is a type of a web browser. Understood? With the help of the Google, we know different types of we can get all the information from different web pages. Yes dear children, a web page, a website. Is it clear to you? Next, we are having, now what is a web page? The individual pages that collectively form the World Wide Web are known as web pages. Now, different pages जो form करते हैं, जो किससे form होते हैं? www, that is the website, is known as web pages. These pages contains text, graphics, audio, video, etc. They may contain text, often underlined and colored, or a small image called an icon. Such a text or image, when clicked, takes one page to another page of information. The link connecting to one page and another page is called hyperlink. Now, I know I will show you this. Okay, dear children, see, this is our Google. It is a web browser. It is a web browser. And here I have typed in Google the types of computer. Okay, now this is known as a web page. This is known as a web page. See, when you are on a web page, our mouse pointer moves to the hand symbol. Is it clear to you? You can refer the textbook as well while you are watching this video. Okay, see, I have written here, this is a Google, this is a web browser. Okay, we are currently working on. I have written here types of computer, and as my mouse pointer is changed to this hand symbol, it means that the pages are being linked to each other. Okay, वो क्या है? Pages link है एक दूसरे से, and that is known as hyperlink. Understood? When the pages are linked to one another, that is known as hyperlink. Okay, see here, as my mouse pointer is changed to the hand symbol, that means we are working on the hyperlink. That means we are working on the different pages, a connection of different pages. Is it clear to you dear children? Understood? Yes, Google is a web browser and this is a web page. Yes. Now, next we are having website. A website is a collection of one or more related web pages. Now, it is a collection of one or more related web pages. वो क्या है? एक different collection है. Okay, linked together through a system of hyperlink. A website is similar to a magazine. You have all gone through the magazines. ठीक है, different magazines we have seen, which is very similar to the website. You can move from one page to another on a website using the hyperlinks. In the same way you flip, in the same way that you flip through the pages of a magazine. Yes, in the same way that how we flip the pages of the magazine, how we turn the pages of the magazine, we can also do that in the website as Well, moving from one website to another is called net surfing, which we all do. Yes, for example, when we are doing the online shopping, okay, we are online shopping from Amazon, from Myntra, or from any other website like this. Now, Amazon, Myntra, these all are the websites. Yes, these all are the website, and when we are moving from one website to another, they are called net surfing. They are called net surfing. Clear? Now, web address. A web address is the address or a location of a website. Now, when you want to search for a website, okay, जब आपको किसी website के ऊपर जाना होता है, when you want to shop something or you want to search something, you enter a specific name for that. Yes, so that specific name is known as a website. Okay, it is the address or the location of the website on the internet. All web address start with one of these. Now, you have noticed that all the web address start with one of these, like for HTTP, two dots, then hyphens, slash, or like this, the second one, or like www dot. All the web address can start with one of these. The addresses of some interesting websites are www.pineworld.in or www.http.kids.discovery.com. Understood? We can see this is a web page. Okay, here you can type your web address, your website, starting from HTTP, two dots, then slash, then www.pineworld or any other website. You can search it here. Okay, understood? Next we are having now home page. The home page is the opening page or the main page of the website. Dear children, as in your notebooks, okay, you are having the first page, and on that first page you are writing your name, roll number, class, everything like this. Okay, in the same way in website also we are having the main page, the opening page. A home page typically contains introductory information about the website that has been assessed along with links to the further details or services of information the website provides. As I have told you, वो क्या देता है, एक introduction देता है about a particular website. Home page is like the main page, in opening page, or the introductory page information which it gives to us, dear children. Okay, the first page when you visit the website, a particular website. Now, for example, if you visit the website of Pineworld, its home page will be appear, okay, as shown here. You can see in your textbook, you can refer the home page, it is there in your textbook as well, dear children. Is it clear to you what is the home page? Next, oh, we are having a small worksheet which is at the end of your chapter. Now, only question number 1 you have to do in the textbook. After doing it, you will send me the photo shot of it. Match the following. Okay, the first one is internet. What is the internet? It is a huge network of computers across the world. Yes. Next, we are having web page. Now, what is a web page? Tell me fast. We have studied this. Yes, dear children. It is the individual pages that collectively form the www. Yes. Then one more I will do for you. Okay. Then website. What is a website? A collection of one or more related web page. A collection of one or more related web page. The next two you will do it on your own. After doing it, you will send me the photo shot as well. Dear children, this chapter is little bit tough. It's little bit typical. Okay. Dear children, okay, understood the part? Yes, the second part of your chapter. You have to refer the textbook as well for this chapter. Okay, after watching the video, what you have to do, first you will refer the textbook, you will read the pages, okay, according to the part 2 of your video lesson. then you will solve the worksheet. Okay, after solving it you will send me the photo shot of it. Okay, bye dear children, God bless you all.